Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today, fresh in, is the 2025 Mastercraft XT22. This has the new magnetic blue deck and hull bottom color. Includes the tandem axle trailer. Come around to the back of the boat, let me show you a couple of its special features. You've got a nice large fiberglass swim platform with C-deck matting, dedicated cup holders, a quick fold submersible swim platform. This boat has the Mastercraft Surfstar system with underwater exhaust. Take a look at the transom seating on this boat. I really like it. The backrests fold quickly up and down, give you a nice comfortable perspective from the water if you're out lounging or just swimming. Come up to the bow of the boat. Let me finish showing you everything inside. All right, thanks for joining me in the bow. Take a look at this nice soft upholstery that wraps around all the way. Nice curvature, very comfortable to sit on. Got the Klipsch audio system. This boat has the billet air dam walk-through door. Walking through the center walk-through, you can see the all-new dash on this Mastercraft. It has the 12-inch digital screen, wireless phone charger, push-button battery switch, quick control knob for your radio volume, and instead of using the touch screen, you can also use our encoder for quick response as well. Wraparound seating. Again, really nice curvature on the seats to give you the most comfortable ride experience. You've got a reversible transom seat here if you want that rear-facing perspective. This boat has the quick folding tower, swivel board racks with quick clamps, bimini top tower speakers, and then of course for those cooler days you can shut that transom door and pull out your cockpit heaters. Come by and see us today and check out this boat in person.